welcome to Draw Plans. I'm Tom Norris, and today I'm going to take a look at how we close and open our CAD files. The ideal situation is that when you open a CAD file or you open the CAD program, it goes directly to the last file you were working on. Now in most cases this doesn't happen. It opens somewhere or other and then you have to navigate your way through folders, etc., to get back to exactly where you were. So what I've done is I've done a very simple thing, which is I've set the program, my CAD program, this is TurboCAD, I've set it to open exactly where I left off, and this is a great time saver. I'm constantly in and out, away from my desk and back. I don't like leaving the programs open or the CAD files open, so I close them down. And it's a great time saver if you can come straight back to your work, just open the program and here it is up and running. So I've got this file open now. It's an elevation and I picked this one because it's very colorful and you can see exactly, you'll recognize it instantly when it opens. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to close the file. I'm going to close the program and give it a few seconds. Now I'm going to click on the icon at the bottom for TurboCAD and it will open exactly on the file that I was working on. And it's a great time saver, and it's something we should all be doing, and we should all set our CAD programs to do this. So if you're not using TurboCAD, you're using AutoCAD or some other version of CAD, then work out how to set it up. But on TurboCAD here and now I can show you. And it's pretty simple. You go to Options, you go to General or Program Setup, and it's actually right on top. It's on General. So you come on down. It's Load at Startup. That's what you want to be hitting. So you just make sure it says Last Working File. Tick the Last Working File box. And that's all you need to do. Just come on in, don't upset anything else. Just come in on General and it's Last Working File. So do it again, Options, General, takes a few seconds. Come on down to Load at Startup, press Last Working File. Okay, close your folder. And we're going to pick another one now. We'll pick a different folder. I'm going to open. Coming back, it's come back to the same folder. So it's come back to the same folder to find it. So what I'm going to do is pick existing elevation. So I'm going to pick this little job, whatever it was. And now I'm going to close it. Close the folder and the program all in one. Here we go, opening the program, and it'll come directly back to the last folder I had opened, the last file, last worksheet, etc. It's very useful because now I can go straight to work without wasting any time. So this is likely to be one of the shortest tutorials, but it's a really useful one. So set it up so that it's, because I used to find it a real chore, having to navigate my way back to where was I working, my God. And it took time, and of course this is a great time saver, and it's lovely. It's a great reward for the effort it takes to set it up, because you get rewarded every time you open your CAD program. Okay, that's it. If you like what I've just shown you, hit the like button. If you can, try and subscribe and learn some more, get some great tips on how to use CAD. Either way, hopefully I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye now.